We are back for another event. Today it is the whiteboard race. The demonstration will be won by Hive from the Stingers, who will not be competing today, but we wanted to show everyone how this event's done. You see there. That is how this event will be done. So how you guys know this? But now we got Ocean from Oceanus, Chewy, the cat and chili cat eyes, Bumble, the kind of Stingers, and Sweet from the Sour Grapes, and what? Oceana, they were in front. Chili cat eyes second. Next that's one inside. And no! Oceanics! They make it just by a millimeter. Now we got Panther, Wash, Ray, the made of Sunray, and Fresh. And what? Fresh is the sunshine. No, Sunshiners! The Black Panthers and Gold Rushes will advance. After Sunshiners shoved the Freshers off the track, and the Freshers, they will pick up 2 consolation points in 15th. But Sunshiners, why? There we go. Clementon, Thunder, Light, and Rocket. Thunderbolt in front. Rangers in second. And looks like these two will be the ones to advance. Purple Rockets are out, so are Team Light. Then that's the first ever time the Team Light got eliminated at the start of a tournament. Then we got Keyline, Minty Drizzle, Water, and Fun. Oh, Lime is in front. All Minty Minutes try to shove them off the track, but it failed. But they will advance. And we hear the Stingers. Since they are eliminated, they will claim 9th overall. Moving on to them. Then we go Wash, Keyline, Minty Drizzle, Clementon. Get the messages final and go Washers. No! And it'll be Minty Minutes, no Rangers. Go Washers. They get knocked out. They finish 8th. But no deduction for any team because everyone was there, so it was just a mistake. Panther, Thunder, Ocean, and Chewy. Oh, this one will not count. But everyone has to finish. So everyone has to finish. Or they will not count. We're off. Black Panthers in front, Chili Cat in second right now, and that's how it will end. Oh, Thunder trying. But that means Thunderbolts will get 5th because they had to redo the one, while the other group didn't. But now, who'll get the gold medal in the first event? Clementon, Joey, Panther, or Minty Drizzle. And what? Rangers in front. Black Panthers in second right now. But the Rangers will get the gold, Black Panther silver, Chili Cat Eyes the bronze, Minty Maniacs will get 4th place. But your winner is Rangers, Black Panthers, and Chili Cat's Eyes. They will win the first events. That was an amazing event, everyone. We hope we'll catch you in the next one. Let's see if the Rangers can continue their margin.